Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my authentic Jamaican steamed fish with okra. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can go ahead and also follow me on Instagram. It's Kalibu_Aisha. Once again guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Here I have my snapper fish and I already added some salt and black pepper. I also have my pumpkin, my tomato, my onion. I also have okra. And I'm also gonna add some carrot, my thyme, my scallion, my bell peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, and Irish potato. To add to that, I'm gonna add butter, Maggi season up, and of course I'm gonna add some black pepper and some island spice all-purpose seasoning. Also, I didn't show this on camera, I'm gonna add my cock soup mix, and this is a spicy cock soup mix. So here I have my pot that I'm going to cook my steamed fish in. I already add some vegetable oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my onion, my tomato, and of course my scallion. And you just want to combine this together. And I'm just going to leave this for roughly 2 minutes before I add the other ingredients. And guys, while you're doing this, please to turn your stove on the lowest heat possible. You don't want to turn it up too high. So after 2 minutes, it's time to go ahead and add my carrot, my pumpkin, and also my Irish potato. And of course, you want to combine this together as well. And guys, you should smell this. And if you can see, the color is coming along quite fine, quite pretty. So what I'm going to do also, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water to this. Not a lot of water, just a small amount. And I'm just going to leave it there. So as you can see, I am adding the water. So guys, I added the water to my vegetables. And of course, you can see I'm adding some more water. So what I'm going to do at this stage is that I don't want my vegetables to overcook. Because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. You want them to have a little bit of crunch. So I'm just going to go ahead and season my vegetables. So I'm adding the black pepper. I'm going to add some of the island spice. And guys, also please note, because I'm using the cock soup mix, you know it's already flavored, I might not add the Maggi season up as well. I might add it depending on the taste. So for the cock soup mix, you don't want to add it like that. You want to strain it because you don't want the, you know, that little thing in it. You just want the seasoning from the cock soup mix. So I'm just straining it and ensure that I get everything. And of course, you want to always ensure that you taste, because as you can see, I'm not adding any salt at all. So as I said before, just in case you taste it and it needs a little bit of salt, you can go ahead and add the Maggi season up, all-purpose season up. So now it's time to go ahead and add my snapper fish. So I'm going to turn one side down and the other one up. So now that I add that one, I'm just going to add some of the vegetables on top. And I'm going to add the other one and also add some of the vegetables on top. Alright guys, so I'm just adding some more water. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. So now it's time to go ahead and add my okra, and I'm also going to add the Scotch bonnet pepper and the bell pepper and also the thyme. Wow guys, look at that. And guys, this is a really easy and simple recipe. It's nothing to worry about. It's very easy. And I'm also going to add the butter. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. So once I added the okra and my bell peppers, I went ahead and I cover it. And this is what it looks like while cooking. Also, you can see it needed a little bit more salt. So I went ahead and add the Maggi season up. So guys, just to give it a little bit more of a pop, I am going to add 3 Bammies to it. Now, if you have water crackers, you can go ahead and add your water crackers to this. But for this one, I'm just going to add the Bammy. And of course, when you add the Bammy, you want to ensure that you add a little bit of the gravy over the Bammy. Because at this stage, my fish is almost finished cooking. And this takes roughly 30 minutes, guys, to cook. You know, with everything, preparation and everything, 30 minutes and it's ready. So guys, after 30 minutes, this is what my authentic Jamaican steamed fish look like with okra. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. And as you can see guys, I served this up with 3 Bammies, 3 nice Bammies. This tastes so good. Once again guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it, and see you in the next video.